Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Appopedia. I'm Ratnapriya. As you know that I am covering a process builder from the Trailhead course. So as I completed the last two sub module on the process builder, and definitely you have to watch the previous videos as the tasks and challenges are linked with each other, and it must be followed in the next module as well. So do watch, and if you done with yourself, then no worries. You can directly enjoy this video and try to solve the challenges. And if you have having any issue on the previous challenges or any issue on this video, then let me know in the comment box. Let's just start this task. So I will just give you the small recap. In the last two model we added, in the first model we added just an object, that is the account object. And what is the task? Let me recap you. That was the task we have to create for a process builder. We have to create a process builder to update a contact whenever the account billing address will be changed, like address account billing address is changes, then we have to directly update into the contact as well, because the contact billing address must be the similar field to be account billing address, right? So that's why if it is changed in the account part, then it must be updated in the contact. So first model we just added the object, and you can see this is the object we added. In the second model we added a criteria for the process criteria, which we deal with the object. Whatever the criteria, that is criteria is just a account billing state must be changed. If it is changed, then it should be the reflected with the true, and if it is true, then we have to directly add the update the context. So that we have to do in this model. Last we have to add your process action. So let's add the action. If it is true, then we have to be select to the change, that is the process. We have to do process update the record, update the record, because we are updating the contact. Okay, it just slipped from my mind. Okay, now we have to keep the action name should be there, account update contact address, and then we have to keep the select the account address started from the select the record related with that. Yes, that is we have to select, and then we have to be select with the billing street. Billing street we have to choose the contact, because it's just similar with the contacts. Yeah, and then we have to be choose. Okay, so up to here we done that, and then we have to what they're saying for the criteria updating record, no criteria, just update this one. Okay, let's no criteria we have to fill and just update. Now the field between the contact, then we have to be select billing. Okay, that we have to do. Now we have filled that mapping street, mailing street, that is the mailing street. Let's select the mailing street. Yeah, this is the mailing street. Then we have to be select with that, and the type should be the field reference. Type is the field reference, and then the value should be the billing, account billing. That was the billing. Yeah, account billing, for the account billing. Now we have to be go into the billing. Let's do the billing sheet. Okay, then say so whatever the values should be in the account billing sheet, that only we have to update in the account mailing sheet. Okay, so this is the scenario we have to follow. Okay, now we have to save this one and confirm and activate. Let's do that, save and activate it, confirm. Okay, so if it is update, now we have to check this. If it is working fine, then we will earn 25 points. So up to here you will understand. Just small recap I am giving you. First account is the object we added, and we just have to be check the record is created or edited, that scenario we wanted to keep. And in that account we have just added a criteria that account billing street is changed, somehow changed. Then we have to be get like it just if an ill conditional statement is just have to be like that. You will just have to be link that your mind with this scenario. So if it is true, then we have to be go into the true side, and we have to just update the account contact mailing state with the value of account billing state, and that's it. That much we have to create. So as you can see, we passed the 425 point, we earned it. And still you have any doubt in this task, let me know in that comment box. Give your constructive feedback so that I can improve myself. And yeah, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.